Before this video begin, please take a second on y'all time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And smash that like button. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Taiwan McCoy back again with another video. Y'all already know what it is, but first and foremost, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell that's on the side of that subscribe button, so you guys can get all of my videos whatsoever, all of my videos. This video thumbs up to after we get done. It's this app called, I think it's Dosh. I don't know how to really say it like that, whatever. It pays you money. It pays you money. What I mean by it pays you money. I've been with this app almost like a couple of months now. I ain't gonna say a couple of months, but some months now, and I've been getting paid straight to my bank account. Well, all you gotta really do is you sign up, you link a card, link a bank card. It can't be it don't take no prepaid card whatsoever, no prepaid card, just a bank card. And once you link your card, you'll get, I think, $5 first. To deposit that to your bank, you have to invite people, and you know, once you start shopping at like Menards and, you know, Papa John's, you know, eating out, stuff like that, you get cash back. So it's a pretty good app. I think it's a good app myself, because I've been getting cash back 24/7. So yeah, because I shop a lot. I'm just had to throw that out there, you know. But anyways, yeah. So it's a little session called Referral. It's a referral bonus. If you invite your friend, family, or whoever to come check out your app, come check out the app, whatever, and they sign up and they link a card, it would give them $5 and it would give you a cut as well. So you'll both be making money. That's actually a pretty good idea. Now, if I would have, you know, probably came up with this app myself, I would have did a little bit, you know, a little better with the money. But, you know, we can keep that classified. But anyways, but yeah, I like this app. You guys should like this app. If you want this app, it'll be in the description. Just click the link, sign up, link a card, and there you go. Start your shopping, whatever. And this is for the people that like shopping. If you like shopping and you like going out with your family out to eat, and you like, you know, going drinking and all this other stuff, and you like doing those things, this app is actually perfect for it. It's actually perfect for it. Just link your card, sign up, link your card, and just go mind your business. You don't need to keep looking at the card. All you're gonna be doing is just getting notifications about you getting cash back from places that you go and shop. And you'll be knowing, like, man, you feel me? I got some money. And basically, you're gonna be thinking, like, man, this app don't work, or this is a scam and all this other stuff. It's really not a scam. I've tried it. Trust me right now. This app is perfect. And right now, the real reason I'm doing this video, but I just got a notification. This week, I guess, is Dosh birthday week, whatever. So they're giving away $25. Every person you invite gets $25, and they get a cut as well. So if y'all want to participate in this or whatever, download the app, sign up, link a bank card, no prepaid, link a bank card, and then start inviting your friends, especially, man, big YouTubers, or, you know, anybody can use it. It's for everybody and anybody, but I think just for the US and Canada, I don't know. But yeah, you guys should check that out. Yeah, I miss everybody. I haven't been putting out no videos like that, but it's another video too that I'll be putting out called PUBG Mobile. I know y'all played that game. I posted a video, I think it was yesterday or the day before yesterday, I don't know. But I posted the video. If you guys want to check out that video, it'll be in the description as well. And I want you guys to, if you guys have iOS devices, add me. And the other video is my iOS ID number to add me. It's at the bottom in the description. Add me and we can play together. I'm winning chicken dinners every time I play. Y'all, man, I'm telling y'all can rank up fast. I downloaded the other day and I'm already at rank 15. Man, y'all better get up on it. I'm coming for y'all. Y'all better get up on it. But if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Smash that thumbs up button. Like, seriously, smash that thumbs up button. and subscribe. Cut on your post notifications to get all of my videos. And link a comment. I said link a comment. Post a comment, you know, telling me how y'all feel about this video or whatever, or how y'all feel about the app I'm talking about. And, you know, let's get into it. But yeah, smash this like button.